Greetings. I wanted to take just a few minutes to review the timeline with you. Please note, as I mentioned in the course introduction video, that you should schedule a meeting with me to occur that first week. Please note that your DNP Advanced Scholarly Project Chapter 2 draft is due relatively quickly, and that is due to me, your chair, by June 19th. Once I have made comments and returned it to you, then you will want to respond to those comments and then submit to your second committee member and then your third committee member. We do ask that you submit all materials to IRB, and that is even though many of your projects will qualify as quality improvement projects, we do want them to be submitted to the IRB here at Mackenzie University. So that IRB application and associate documents should be turned in to me by July 3rd. I will take a look at those and then give you the go-ahead to submit for approval. Now, you need to be aware of the processes at your organization and whether or not IRB approval needs to be obtained within your own organization. At a minimum, we will ask for a letter of support to be included within your IRB materials. Please note that your final draft is due July 24th and that the presentation of Chapter 2 should occur sometime that last couple of weeks. Go ahead and take a look at the syllabus. So when we move to the syllabus, when we open up the syllabus, again, the major purpose of 791 is for you to work on a Chapter 2. The aggregate outcomes specific to this course are listed here, as well as the relevant student learning outcomes. You are familiar or should be familiar with the student expectations. Please note the evaluation methods. As we looked at in the timeline, you will submit a draft of Chapter 2 to me. You will also submit a final copy of Chapter 2. A presentation will occur at the end of the term, and you will submit to IRB. At the end of the term, you are also required to submit Form A as well as your preceptor and evaluation feedback form and verification of a cumulative completion of 225 practicum hours. Please note that within the course there is an assignment link for each of the assignments within the course. That the IRB resources are available to you within Brightspace. So let me click on IRB Process and Tools. When you click on that link, you will find the examples of the approval or the informed consents, which may or may not be applicable to your project, but they are here. There is an example of an exemplar, an organizational approval letter, a checklist, etc. There is a sample completed IRB form that you can click on for review. At this point, we will have you submit to IRB electronically. However, that may change as the IRB processes are undergoing revision as we speak. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I look forward to working with you this term. Thank you.